yourself having to retire next month, and every month you earn 3 lakhs of monthly income. What would you have done throughout your life, though, so that you could get this amount? This is what we are going to learn in this video. We'll help you plan a secure retirement in India with inflation adjusted income using your age, risk appetite, and life expectancy. A very important video wherein you will learn how your withdrawal after you retire is affected by inflation returns, how much percentage of return should you expect, what is the Corpus benchmark you should have, how can you make it suitable for you. We'll also talk about some real life examples. How do you personalize your plan? And if you consider your ages for retirement at 45, 50, and 55, how much difference does your retirement money make? So, what are the core concepts behind retirement corpus calculation? We want 3 lakhs of monthly income after we retire. So, the first is the monthly withdrawal goal and inflation adjustment. Now, just imagine that whatever amount you're earning today will not have the same value 30 to 40 years down the line. You might be a young graduate who has just joined a job and you're just 30 years of age. You still have 30 years to retire. But the value of money, which is now, will not be same after 30 years because of inflation. So whatever returns we are getting today, in order to be viable after 30 years, it has to be more than the present inflation rate. And what is the present inflation rate? Around 4 to 6%. We are taking at the maximum level. So if you want to adjust 3 lakhs of monthly withdrawal with 6% of inflation, this is what you need to require in order to get a good return. So anything more than 6% or 8% is something which will help you get good amount of returns at the age of retirement. Also, you might consider age of retirement as 45, 50, or 55, or 60, depending upon your will and how much you want to work. Also, the life expectancy has certainly increased, which was earlier 60 to 70 years. Now people might live more than that. That means your corpus of 3 lakhs per month has to sustain for 30 to 40 years after retirement. That's something which should be in your mind. Then is the expected returns based on risk profile. Now, there are many people who want to take risk, and there are many people who are conservative. They don't want to put their money in mutual funds. They're scared of stocks. So these type of people invest their money in low risk avenues such as fixed deposit bonds, etc. But the returns which they will get on fixed deposit and bonds is somewhere closer to 6 to 7%, which is almost the rate of inflation minus taxes. So effectively, they won't be getting enough money at the age of retirement. However, people who have high risk appetite, who can afford to put their money in mutual funds and stocks, can expect anywhere between 8 to 12%. 8 is the minimum and 12 is the maximum. And this kind of return will surely not only come up more than your inflation rate, but also will give you better returns. Anything above 6% is going to add value to your wealth. There are also a lot of other factors which determine the corpus, the retirement age, the withdrawal goal, the inflation, the expected return, and how much risk you're willing to take. So this is just an idea how much corpus you would require if you want rupees 3 lakhs a month withdrawal by age and risk. For example, if you want 3 lakhs of rupees and you want to retire at age 50 and you have a good risk profile, That means you are willing to take more risk, thereby put 70% of your portfolio in equity and only 30% in debt to acquire around 7.6 crore of rupees. That's a rough estimate. But as soon as your risk appetite decreases, that is, you're putting less money in equity, that is mutual funds, the corpus required would be more. Why? Because you're getting less returns. So this is just an example for you, and I hope this example will be an eye-opener for you to understand how your choices will determine how much money you make in the future. So if I have to give you a step-by-step retirement planning for NRAs, first define your target monthly income. How much monthly income you want after retirement? It could be 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, depending upon your lifestyle. Choose your retirement age, 45, 50, 55. How many years your corpus will support your withdrawals? You want to have your withdrawals by the age of 90? So that means if you retire at 60, 30 years of withdrawals you want. Also assess your risk profile, what kind of investor you are. You like to put your money in stocks, mutual funds, you're aggressive. You want to have a balanced portfolio, 50% stocks, mutual funds, and 50% in debt and FDs, or you are conservative. You put all your money in the FDs and bonds. So eventually, if you come with this exercise, you will be in a position to look at the table and find out how much amount you would require for retirement. Also, validate your financial assumptions. Ensure your assumptions are adjusted as per inflation, at least minimum 6%. Equity returns, as I told you, maximum 12% you can expect. It can go more depending upon the market situation. And debt is almost 4 to 6%. This is the realistic expectations. Accordingly, you should plan your customized retirement plan. So I've given you a step-by-step framework, a plan wherein you can plan your own retirement without the help of a financial advisor. Also, if you want to have a balanced risk retirement corpus at age 50, a mix of 50% equity and 50% debt, this will offer you moderate growth and risk. You will be happy as a person wherein you are not taking more risk, but also you're making some amount of returns. In this case, I gave you an example. You need 9.5 crores for 3 lakhs per month. And at age of 50, after retirement, you prefer a balanced approach. So this is just an example for you to understand. We have also given a case study to understand an aggressive and a conservative risk profile. You can go through this exercise and you can think about your own portfolio. So what are the key things that we have learned from this video? Risk appetite greatly influences your corpus size and volatility. The amount of risk you're willing to take determines your corpus, how much money you're going to make. If you want to retire early, you need to have a bigger corpus. And for that, you need to have big amount of money to be invested now. A balanced approach is something which is desirable by most of the people. And I think it's the best way to have a balanced perspective, to take balanced approach towards investment and get good returns at the retirement age. Also, no size fits all. You have to make your own plan depending upon your own lifestyle and market comfort. That is why understanding this framework is very important. These are the factors which builds confidence in your decisions. And once you're confident, you'll be able to be a good financial planner. So calculate your target monthly income, estimate your retirement age, select your risk profile, identify your corpus goal, calculate what are the required investment needs, how much money you need to invest at present, and if required, you can also seek guidance and support from us. So start building your retirement plan today with confidence and control. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to us. If you like the video, you can press the like button, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.